In this video, we will discuss third step of dropshipping, how to find suppliers for your business. To find dropshipping suppliers, you can use the following methods. 1. Online directories and marketplaces. Utilize dropshipping specific directories and marketplaces that connect you with suppliers. Some popular options include AliExpress, a platform that offers a wide range of products and suppliers, particularly suitable for beginners in dropshipping. SaleHoo, a directory with a curated list of verified suppliers and helpful market research tools. Oberlo, an app integrated with Shopify that allows you to find products and suppliers directly from AliExpress. 2. Supplier search engines. Use search engines like Google to find potential dropshipping suppliers. Use relevant keywords such as dropshipping supplier or wholesale supplier along with your specific product or niche keywords. Visit the websites of suppliers you find and contact them to inquire about their dropshipping services. 3. Trade shows and exhibitions. Attend industry trade shows and exhibitions where suppliers showcase their products. This allows you to establish direct connections with suppliers, discuss terms, and evaluate product quality in person. 4. Direct outreach. Reach out to manufacturers, wholesalers, and distributors in your niche directly. You can contact them via email, phone, or through their websites to inquire about their dropshipping programs. 5. Social media platforms. Utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook to search for suppliers in your niche. Join relevant groups or communities where suppliers and retailers gather and network. Engage with potential suppliers and ask for recommendations or referrals. 6. Referrals and recommendations. Ask for recommendations from other dropshippers or online entrepreneurs. Engage with the dropshipping community through forums, online communities, or social media groups to gather insights and recommendations on reliable suppliers. Remember to evaluate potential suppliers based on factors such as product quality, pricing, shipping times, reliability, and customer reviews. Communication is key. Reach out to suppliers, ask questions, and establish a working relationship to ensure a successful dropshipping partnership.